The question is, how does Sanatana Dharma define and describe Atma? Many people describe and explain Atma as Jeeva or Prana. Sanatana Dharma describes Atma as Ishvara itself, as Ishvara Chaitanya or consciousness. The Vishwam or Jagat, that is, the universe, comprises of the physical world, the astral world, and the causal world. According to Sanatana Dharma, when this Vishwa or universe came into existence, Ishvara pervaded it completely. This is the Sarvavyapi Siddhanta, that is omnipresence theory in Sanatana Dharma. This is what we call Vishnu, the consciousness, energy and power of Ishvara. This is also called Brahmam. Brahmam is the all-pervading, and Samashti, that is the collective or a general consciousness of the omnipresent Parameshwara. Atma is Vyashti, that is particular consciousness. We must first understand the difference between Samashti and Vyashti. Samashti relates to general or universal aspect, while Vyashti is the particular aspect. Take the human population, for example. The entire population is Samashti, while each human individual is Vyashti. Just like society and an individual. Similarly, taking the forest as an example, the forest is Samashti, while each tree is Vyashti. So, considering this whole universe, the consciousness, energy and power of the omnipresent Ishvara is called Brahmam. Being omnipresent, or the ability of Ishvara to be omnipresent, is called Vishnu. Hence, the omnipotent consciousness, energy and power is called Brahma. In every particle in the universe, be it in living or non-living particle, in each of it, Ishvara pervades. Ishvara's consciousness that is present in every individual being taken particularly is what we call Atma. Both of these are fundamentally the same. Consider an ocean. When we consider the whole ocean with all its properties, this is an example, not an ideal one, but just as an analogy for easy explanation. If the whole ocean is Brahmam, every drop or palm of water from the ocean can be called as Atma. Hence, Ishvara's power, energy and consciousness is what we call Atma and Brahma. If it wasn't for general and particular differences, both are the same. When general and particular differences are considered, we call the particular as Atma and the general as Brahma. This must be clearly understood. In this universe, every particle has an Atma pervading it. The inherent natural tendencies of Prakriti to realize this Atma and thus the Brahmam leads to the creation of life or Jeeva. Jeeva or life has limited consciousness. Jeeva is merely a shadow. The aim of Prakriti is to realize the consciousness, energy and power of the Atma. Thus, in Prakriti, there happens numerous natural processes that are beyond human comprehension, undetermined by science thus far, unexplained by logic, and due to these natures' interplays, life is formed as a means to realize the Atma. This Jiva or life is what is subject to evolution. Atma does not evolve and Atma isn't reborn. Karmas affect Jiva or life. It is Jiva or life that is reborn. This is the difference between Jiva and Atma that has to be understood. The life goes from material to plant to animal to human consciousness and is born many times in different forms and experiences the karmas and the consequences of karmas in these lives and evolves every time to reach the state of Sat Chit Ananda or Moksha, which is an ever existent, ever conscious, and ever blissful state. So, this is a brief about the four aspects Brahmam, Jeevan, Aatma, and Prakriti.
Kindly make generous donations to the construction of Vijnana Bharati International Study and Research Foundation and Asthana Mandira Paddhati, which is a joint project of Vijnana Bharati Educational and Charitable Society and Aarsha Vidya Samajam, which is the center of hope for Hindu society.